Hello there. I'm Drew Brenner, Senior Loan Officer and your mortgage advisor over here at Willow Bend Mortgage, and I'm coming to you today to talk about credit repair. I have people ask me all the time if they have some credit issues, if they should employ a credit repair company to help them fix those issues. And so today I'm going to talk about how the credit repair process works, does it work, and approximately what the cost is going to be. So let's start with how it works. So first off, I want to say that credit repair is not an exact science. Typically, it's quoted to take between 2 to 6 months, but it can take longer depending on what all's on your report that they're going after. So what happens with these credit repair companies is typically, if you're dealing with a good one, they're going to do a combination of dispute letters and legal challenges. And so they send those dispute letters and legal challenges to the credit bureaus, to all three, and the credit bureau then sends those to the creditor. The creditor being, the collection company, credit card company, whoever it is that they're going after to remove those negative items. And so once they send that to the creditor then has 45 days to respond. And if they respond showing that they have enough documentation to show that negative credit item is yours, then the credit bureau is going to send you a letter saying, hey, we're leaving it on your credit report. Now, if that happens, then the credit repair company is going to try again. They have several different strategies that they use, but they can only do one at a time. So then they're going to try strategy number 2. It goes to the credit bureaus, that goes to the creditor. The creditor's got another 45 days to respond, and they just kind of rinse and repeat until hopefully they're successful at removing those credit items. So sometimes it takes several attempts, which is why that range 2 to 6 months or more is so large. Because sometimes it definitely takes multiple tries before they're able to remove those negative credit items. And like I was saying, it's not an exact science. If you're dealing with a reputable credit repair company like the ones I use and can get you hooked up with, they're going to be real honest with you. They're going to tell you up front, hey, we think we have a 50% chance to remove this collection and a 75% chance to remove this charge off and whatever it is. So that way you kind of have your expectations set on what they think they're able to do. But I will say, as far as, does credit repair work? They're generally successful at removing most credit items. They may not be able to get all of them, but typically they can remove enough that we can get your credit scores up to where we need to get you approved for a mortgage. All right, so the next thing let's talk about is the cost. So typically I see it cost between $100 to $150 with a lot of companies per person that they're going after. So if you got a husband and wife, of course it's going to be more expensive than if it's just one person whose credit they're going after to fix. So again, typically between $100 to $150 per month for the entire time that they're working on your credit. Now, some companies will charge you just a lump sum up front based on the number of negative credit items they're going after, and I've seen that range anywhere from $300 up to $2,000 depending on what all they're doing. So you have to decide what's right for you as far as if you want to pay a lump sum or if you want to do the monthly thing, which is, again, generally what I recommend, but everybody's different. It's totally up to you which way you want to go. So hopefully I've done a pretty good job of kind of giving you a good overview on how the credit repair process works, but I know you're going to have questions. So please feel free, give me a call, shoot me a text. My phone number is 214-282-6387, and my email address, it's really easy. It's just Drew, D-R-E-W, at WB as in boy, M as in Mary.com, Drew at WBM.com. I would love to hear from you, help you with credit repair and getting you pre-approved. And also make sure you take a look at some of the other videos I have here on my YouTube channel, because there's a lot of really great information to educate you about the home buying process. All right, thanks a lot, and I'll see you guys on the next video.